So, hi everyone, I'm Mika Angela Gonzalez together with Prof. Ayan, so mag-interview tayo about teacher leadership. So, Prof, kasi Ma'am Lodi, how can teacher help each other learn and grow?
Teachers can learn with each other and grow together by collaborative teaching. One seems to have expertise and the other can also share his or her expertise with you. So both can learn from each other.
Next, ma'am, what challenges do teacher leaders face?
Challenges, one can be yung gap, age gap. For me, it's one of the biggest factors, yung age gap. Iba na yung, kumbaga, may sense of humor ka and then you would tell something and then the students would not know again. Parang, ano yun? Kasi nga parang iba na yung language. Even the language is different. So, yun. Teachers need to really go and look up to what is the language of their students as well, so that they can connect with them.
Okay, what makes a good teacher leader? Diba, ano ba yung leader? A leader is a person that can influence a group of person to follow a certain direction. Leader siya. So, a teacher is actually a leader. So, what makes a good teacher leader? For me, a good teacher na leader is, unang-una, she has the right foundation. And the right foundation is having the right values, merong fear of God. Kasi ang isang tao na merong fear of God, matatakot siyang gumawa ng masama. So, in that way, the teacher will be able to edify her students holistically. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang academic, but rather spiritually and morally, na kakailanganin ng mga estudyante sa mga buhay nila. So, yun yung aking sagot sa point number 1. Number 2, how can teachers share their expertise with others? I did definitely through mentoring, no? So, habang tinuturuan sila, i-invest ka ng love. Kasi, pag nagturo ka sa kanila, nahipo mo lang ay yung kanilang kaisipan, dumadaan lang sa tenga, lalabas sa kabilang tenga. Pero, kung sila'y tinuruan mo, na-touch mo yung heart nila. Nag-inculcate ka ng value sa kanila. So, yung natutunan nila sa'yo, magagamit nila sa future generation. So, how can a teacher share their expertise with others? By example, you have, yung parang kay Bandura, learning by, through modeling, yun siya. And then, at the same time, may coaching na tinatawag. And then, number 3, what are some ways teachers can improve their school? Kailangan natin ng mga teacher na may takot sa Diyos. Kasi kung may takot ka sa Diyos, mahiya ka magbulakbol. So, pag nagbubulak-bulak ko, nahiya ko, Lord, nahiya ko sa iyo kasi binigyan ako ng Lord ng responsibility na magturo, na mag-share ng kaalaman, mag-share ng information. So, ang isang tao na may takot sa Diyos, may improve niya yung kanyang community. Lalo na yung sa mga bata, tsaka kabuuan ng eskwelahan. So, you have quality education, tulad ng sinasabi ng URS mission and vision, morally upright. Kasi may mga eskwelahan na pang matatalino, tulad ng mga eskwelahan sa Maynila. Pero kung titignan natin yung mga graduates nila, minsan na-involve sa corruption, So, mas maganda is matalino ka, pero at the same time, ginagamit mo yung balance between IQ, EQ, at saka SQ. Intelligence quotient, emotional quotient, at saka spiritual intelligence quotient. Yun ang kailangan natin para magkaroon tayo ng better score, at saka better students. Okay?